Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, open the hood. The hood can be opened by pulling down the latch and then pulling it off the catch. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. There are 4 fasteners securing the housing. Remove the 4 fasteners that secure the housing. Lift the housing. Remove the old filter from the housing. Install your new AF4025 filter into the housing. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits. It can only be installed with the housing in one orientation. Remember that driving without an air filter is dangerous, and replacing your filter can improve your gas mileage. Once the filter is fully flushed and the housing is aligned, re-engage the fasteners. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood. The hood is secured by inserting the tabs on the latch into the catch, followed by pushing the top forward. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.